Hello, this is Thingy1118 and I've got an update to the fire alarm system. I've added a new detector. There was a standalone unit there, which is in the hallway outside the main room here. This was a detector. It was a standalone unit, first alert. This has been in use for ages, but I recently got around to replacing this. That one kept setting off whenever I did any cooking, and I replaced it with a detector linked into my fire alarm system. So, of course, there's a panel. I've added, this is a new wire here actually, it's on the 4th zone, and there's the detector in this room. So we'll give it a test. I'll just put it in test mode. Yep. Appears to be a draft. Ah, there's a window open. There we go. You can see the paint where the old detector. There we go. See the paint where the old detector was. That's activated now. Go back to the panel. There's a Roshni up there. There's the other detector. Might give that one a test while I'm at it, although I did that the other day. I'll do a full system test I think soon. I'll just test this other one while I'm at it. There we go. So all the zones are in use at the moment, if it doesn't set back off. So zone 1 is the that's my, let me check. Oh, it's reactivated. That one up there reactivated. I'll blow the smoke out of it. Zone 1's a core point over here. Zone 2 is downstairs, the core point downstairs. That I'm hoping to add some more stuff to, but I can't add any detectors downstairs easily at the moment due to the laminate flooring. You'd have to take up all the laminate to get any access to the part you want, which is a bit annoying. So that'll have to be done whenever. 3 is a detector here in this room. 4 is the new detector out there in the main hallway. So that 4 is quite critical because it covers any smoke that comes up from downstairs, which is good. So that's all the zones are actually in use. But whenever I need to add more stuff, I can just add it onto the what do you call it? I can add it onto the loop. You can add more stuff onto the zone basically. So the reason I put the new detector on a separate zone is because I want any new stuff up here to go on zone 4. Zone 3 I want isolated just for this detector, so I can disable that if I'm doing any stuff that could set it off in this room, such as maybe doing some I don't know, either soldering or vaping in this room. And 2, I'll probably move 2 over to the same loop as 4 at some point. I have an upstairs zone, and 1 will be the downstairs zone. But what I can actually do in theory is I can make them into a loop by doing the loop at the panel. since I've got spare on this cable, I've got spare cores, and I can simply do the looping at the panel side and still have it an end-of-line proper loop circuit, so it will detect faults. Yeah, that's been the new addition. I'll just do, while I'm here, I'll do a quick class change. There you go. Right, take it out of test modes. And that's been the new changes to the fire alarm system. It's Thingy 1118. And thanks for watching. This is a different camera again. I'm trying a few different cameras on the channel. So yeah, if you're wondering what the cameras are varying. And thanks for watching this video. There'll be a fire alarm system test soon of the system. Full system test. Cheers.